Hi children, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Welcome to Kamla Online Learning Classes children. Myself, Fatima, Mrs. Fatima, class. Your subject is GA. GA means which subject children? General Awareness. General Awareness is called GA, short way, short form. LKG. You are in the LKG now? Now we are going to start. See which part is this? Part 4 children. This is a part 4. In term 2 we started, today we are going to start part 4. 1, 2, 3 parts we completed. We completed the, what are the things we completed in the part second term children? Part 1 is flowers. See, different kinds of flowers we completed part 1. See, part 2 wild animals. We learn about the wild animals. Now, where does the wild animals live? Wild animals live in a forest or jungle. Yes. Okay. Where are the pet animals live? Animals which live with us in our home with us is animals which live in home with us. They are called pet animals. Okay. Now we are learning about the land animals. Which animals will live on the land? Okay, children. These animals will live on the land. Land is what? Land. On the earth, on the land. They will not live in the water. They will live on the land. There are also wild animals only, but they will live on the land. Okay, children? See, which animal is this? Identify which animal is this. Which animal is this? You can identify. H for horse. This is a horse. H-O-R-S-C. Horse. Which animal is this? Tell me. This animal is having black strips on his body. Which animal does have? This is a zebra. Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra. Okay. Which animal is this? This is a rabbit, no children? Rabbit runs very fast. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. Which animal is this, children? Rhinoceros. R-H-I-N-O-C-E-R-O-S. Rhinoceros. Which animal is this? Deer. D-E-E-R. Deer. These animals will live on the land. These are the oral classes, children. Oral classes. In this only just you will identify the animals and you will learn the spellings. Nothing is there to write. Okay, just little bit ticking and that coloring it will be. Okay, children? Okay, come on, we learn the spellings. First thing, parents please show the picture, then clearly show them the picture. They should identify the animals. They should know which animal is this. This, after showing the picture, immediately they should say, Mama, this is H for horse. This is zebra, Z for zebra. Like that they should be perfect. Identify the picture, children. This is a horse. Horse. How horse will run? Horse will run very fast, no? Yes. Horse. Where he will live? He will live on the land. Okay. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. We learn each animal name 5 times. Hold your hands, everyone. Hold your hands, children. You are very small. You are unable to read. No. Break the spellings and read like this. How I did? Read like that. Hold your hands. Look at the board. Yes. Very good, children. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra. See, children. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra. Okay? Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra. Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra. Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra. This rhinoceros. R-H-I-N-O-C-E-R-O-S. Okay, we write like this. RHINOCEROS. See, rhinoceros. Rhinoceros. Which animal is this? This is a big animal. Rhinoceros. 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 Okay, children? RHINOCEROS. 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 See this rabbit. 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 Read this. RABBIT. Rabbit. We are breaking the word. We are breaking the word and learning. It will be easy for you. That's why I am breaking the word. I can read. RABBIT. Rabbit. ZEBRA. Zebra. RHINOCEROS. Rhinoceros. You are very small now. You are unable to read like that. That's why we are breaking the word and we are reading. Learning. RHINOCEROS. Rhinoceros. RABBIT. 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 DEER. 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 Okay, children. Once again, look at the word. HOR. See. HORSE. 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 ZEBRA. 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 RHINOCEROS. 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 RABBIT. 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 DEER. 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 Okay, children. I hope you will learn in this way only. You should learn the spelling, children. See, horse means HORSE. Zebra. 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 Rhinoceros, RHINOCEROS, rhinoceros. Rabbit, RABBIT, rabbit. DEER, deer. Like that. Without seeing, you should be able to read. Okay, children? Learn like this. Okay? What will be the homework, children? Dear parents, please take down the homework. Page number 76. See, this page number 76. Write HW here, write today's date, write HW. 76 page number. What you have to do? Take one paper, grey color paper. Color papers will come, no? Dear parents, please understand the homework and make them do. Not coloring. You should not color in this elephant. This is an elephant. You should not color it with a crayon, with a pencil, with a nothing. What you have to do? Listen carefully. Take grey color paper. Grey color papers will be not. Take grey color paper and take bits of papers and stick it. Take one grey color paper and tear it into small pieces. Tear it into small pieces. Then you paste it in the elephant. You paste that small bits of papers in the elephant. Not coloring. You have to paste the papers. Small bits of papers you have to paste in the elephant. Okay, children. I hope you all understood the homework. Okay, children. Parents, please make them to do the homework. Not coloring. They have to take the grey color paper. They should take the grey color. Color papers will be no grey color paper. They have to take. They have to tear in the pieces. Small pieces. That pieces should be pasted in the elephant. Piece of papers will be no. That paper pieces they should paste in this elephant. Don't do coloring. Don't want coloring. Tear the grey color paper. Color papers will get the stationery. To bring one grey color paper, tear it into small pieces. Then you paste it in the elephant. You have to paste that papers in the elephant. Apply some Fevicol on the papers and paste it in the picture. Okay, children? I hope you all understood. Parents, understood the homework? No? Make them do like that only. They should not color. They have to tear the papers, bits of papers, and they have to attach these papers in the elephant picture. Okay, children, we'll meet you in the next video. I hope you all understood. You know the animals and you learn the spellings also. Okay, children, we'll meet you in the next video.